300 Longshot with a new test barrel. Dart Zone Pro darts. $311. Let's put in another one. Another Dart Zone Pro. Test barrel shot number 2. $302. Alright, so we're going to be doing a little bit of a test between rifling muzzle attachment. I've got the barrel length for the 300 Longshot pretty much set here, and I'm going to be using the same green Dart Zone dart so that I can get a good comparison between a before and after result on this FPS. So this is without any rifling. That was 298. We'll shoot it one more time so we can get a second reading result to compare it to. Again, no rifling. 302. Okay, so we've got a good baseline of 298, 302. I'm going to go ahead and add the rifling attachment now. I'll be using the Accuratio version 3. This one right here. This has the similar principle to a Merlynn in the sense that it allows the darts to glide over the rifling and impart spin rather than squeezing the dart and losing FPS to a Scar barrel, for example. It also has porting just like a Merlynn, although the Merlynn's porting isn't due to this as much as it is due to the way you make the Merlynn. So we're going to add this on there, shoot the same dart, see if we can get different readings, and if they're comparable. Okay, we're going to go ahead and load that same dart, see what the FPS results are going to be, shoot it twice, get a good baseline. And this is with the rifling attachment. 293. And we'll do one more shot. Same dart, same blaster, just a different barrel in the sense of it's got a muzzle end to it. 294. So perhaps a little bit of loss of FPS. I'm going to shoot it one more time. I feel like we can probably still break the 300. So I'll give it one more shot here to do that. Load that dart again. Here we go. Still got the rifling attachment added to it. And, oh, I hit the chronograph, it jumped. Let's do it one more time. Alright, let's do it one last time. Here we go. Let's see what results we're going to get. I keep hitting the chronograph. Alright, let's see if this dart still has any life left in it after being shot so much. Uh, 296, there we go, not hitting the chronograph. 290, was it 294, 296 with the rifling attachment. And this is just the first test of it. I can still tune the barrel to the rifling attachment. So it was doing about 300 without. I'm going to take this off. Shoot, I just pulled my test barrel out. Let's take off the attachment. Shoot that dart one more time, just to kind of restore a baseline. Same dart, same barrel, same blaster. Trying to keep everything the same. Poor dart. Getting beat up a lot. Let's see again. So this time no rifling. .303. Yeah, so 10 FPS maybe, or between 5 to 10 FPS lower with that rifling attachment. Again, this is not tuned for the rifling attachment. I tuned the barrel to be a pretty good barrel. It could actually do with about ½ an inch more barrel to an inch more barrel. But I was working with this size brass. I tested it with an extended piece, and that's what we're getting. Alright, I didn't think that I would have a Merlynn on hand that I could use, as they're either permanently installed onto my blaster barrels or they are pretty much destroyed after running them and testing them. So this one is my Pet G1 that's clear, so you can see the brass rifling on the inside. Thought it was pretty cool, but this is about 3/4 of an inch longer than the Accuratio that we were testing. Potentially, we could be seeing lower results, but let's see how it does with this. Same blaster, same dart, different rifling attachment. Let's compare. 296. Not bad. Let's shoot it one more time. This starts getting pretty beat up though, so I don't know how much more life it's going to have. That foam is getting pretty beat up just from the testing that you're able to see on this video. 304. That's a Merlynn, folks. Increases your accuracy with imparting the spin and still porting out air for the dart, but doesn't really affect the FPS in a very negative way at all. Those are pretty much the same numbers that we got without any rifling attachment on this blaster. So there you go.